Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the speakers, loosen the 4 screws on the side of the base cover. Remove the 6 screws and pry the cover off the system to remove it. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the speakers and disconnect the cables. Lift the speakers out of the system. To reinstall the speakers, place them back in the system and reconnect the cables. Plug in the battery cable. Tighten the 10 screws to secure the base cover on the system. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.